Pass me that y'all, bitch, I'm on that y'all trick. Y'all listen, bitch, I'm on that y'all, and they got me paranoid. Y'all trick, that's that y'all, bitch, y'all listen, bitch, I'm rolling bud, and they got me paranoid. Y'all trick,
damn, son, where'd you find this?
Y'all listen, trick, I'm on that y'all, and they got me paranoid. Y'all trick, that's that y'all, bitch, y'all listen, bitch, I'm rolling bud, and they got me paranoid. Y'all talk slick, yo, bitch, here, y'all. She wanted the y'all. Flickered on pillow talk. He just made the work bubble. Not no Air Max with the mini air bubble. Ain't no rock in my sock, cause I got the jaw holder. Bitch, that screaming, man, don't call me, maybe some.
Probably on that middle console. What's up, YouTube? This is Dr. Trey, K the Flicker, man. You tuned in to another episode of Whips and Flips. Alright, you guys. So, starting a little work on the Tahoe. I did the little tune-up on it so far. I did plugs, wires, changed the oil. Did the coolant temperature sensor, the throttle sensor, and it's running pretty decent now. So now I'm gonna start on the body work. The fender's kind of bent up, so start now when I found one at the junkyard. So about to go on and get in action, take it off, get the new one on. All right, let's go, you guys. Yeah, you could there.
Nice well.
Yeah, I know I'm gonna get one. Yeah, it looked like it was some body work done to this before they crashed.
Yeah, good.
But yeah, we went out there to the junkyard there. It was about 15 of them out there, all the same color, and all the fenders was messed up, all the passenger side ones. They either had a dent or they was rusted out, cracked, something was wrong with them. But we was able to get one junkyard went to have one. See, this is a real common color right here. Damn, I'm gonna have to get some coolant, huh? Or it ain't much gonna come out.
Huh?
Am I gonna have to buy some coolant?
No, I mean, we ain't taking this all the way off. Just take it to the side. Boy, you can't never find a motherfucking bitch when you want to find one. Never.
Yeah, that's crazy. Yeah, it be like that. Damn, that plastic assembly broke, huh?
But what?
The light assembly.
It broke?
I don't know, is it?
No.
I know that motherfucker's the best taking off, man. I did the one on that Trailblazer.
Yeah.
Told you wasn't hardly none out there. It was like 2 left there, and I broke one trying to see how to take that motherfucker. That motherfucker so flimsy and shit.
Yeah.
That motherfucker bend the wrong way, it's over.
Yeah.
Alright, you guys, so I want to get some more footage for you guys, but my camera ended up dying out on me, so we end up For the day, we end up taking the bumper off and the passenger side fender. I got the fender already. You know, we end up getting that installed. So, okay, the fender's on there, and I'm looking for a bumper now. I've been looking on the Facebook marketplace. I've been actually to a couple junkyards. The junkyards I went to, all of them, like I said in the other video, they had imperfections and bumps and rust spots. Some of them was better than others, but all of them had imperfections and defects. So, and they want $150. They told me $150 for the bumper. That's the cheapest. I called another place around. They told me $300 for it. I'm like, that's a new one? No, that's used. I'm like, damn. I was looking online. You could actually get probably brand new with the little plastic cover on the top, the plastic on the bottom, the Vlans, and the chrome bumper piece for like $300 brand new. So, and they were saying that. I'm like, man, I gotta find something else. But I'm looking and looking, so hopefully I'll find something soon. But you guys make sure y'all tune in, subscribe, like, comment, share. You know what I'm saying? We got plenty more vehicles and plenty more projects coming to the channel, man. Like I said, don't stop, man. Make sure y'all tune in, man, for the next video, man. I got a surprise for y'all coming, man. So make sure y'all subscribe, man, and get back at y'all on the next one, man. All right.
Look a man straight, he just went on the back end. So ho, bring that bag, cause business is business. Think that money make you hard, well I'm here to hurt your feelings. Jack one track, blow your career off the map. Think you hard body till that gauge weighing out. Know you got a body, but it don't mean nothing to me. Killed your best friend because he fucked your old lady. Now do you feel glad? Do it really make you feel better? That's why y'all handling business. She still tricking off, nigga. You can't understand, cause you treat her so good. The bitch hardcore, she slicing on shit with Eskimos. Think it can't be